Every day, you're telling yourself a story about who you are, what you're capable of, what your place in the world is. But most of the time, you don't even realize you're doing it. These stories run quietly in the background. A loop of beliefs shaped by past experiences, other people's words, and old habits. And here's the thing. If the story is negative, limiting, or outdated, it's not just unhelpful. It becomes a cage. You might be carrying around a story that says, "I always mess things up. I'm too much. I'm not enough. Nothing ever works out for me." You didn't choose these stories. You can rewrite them because you are not the story. You are the storyteller. So where do you begin? Start by noticing the script. Catch the phrases you say in your own head, especially the ones that come up when things go wrong, when you're stressed, tired, or uncertain. Don't judge them, just observe. Then ask, where did this story come from? Is it really true? Is it helping me grow, or is it holding me back? Now comes the powerful part, reframing. Not lying to yourself, not pretending everything's perfect, but telling a truer story, a fairer one, a story with room for growth. Instead of "I always fail," try "I've struggled before, but I've also learned." Instead of "I'm not good enough," try "I'm still becoming who I want to be." Instead of "This is just who I am," try "This is who I've been, and I'm allowed to change." Changing your story is like redirecting a river. It doesn't happen all at once. But one small shift, repeated often, creates a whole new flow. And eventually, you stop living the version of yourself shaped by old doubt and start becoming someone shaped by new belief. Here's your reminder. You are the narrator. You decide the tone. You choose what gets repeated. And you can rewrite the script anytime, even now. This has been Retold. You've got this.